morning, guys. We are heading to work right now. It is 6:07 in the morning, so it's early start, of course. So it's crazy because you would imagine that I'm doing this vlog obviously at night, but nope, it is like the earliest vlog I've probably done. This is the beginning of the day, like literally beginning of my day. Heading to work, and then after that plans are to actually wash the SI. I have not washed this car. Alright. So you guys saw there, I got some orange juice. I'm trying to stick away from energy drinks. If you guys have any suggestions on what else I should drink, but I just want to stay away from coffee and energy drinks, and I know a lot of people rely on that for, you know, energy to stay awake and all that, but it's taking, you know, it's taking a bad toll, and I just want to take away from those routes. I've been doing a lot of like monsters and stuff, and it is not good. It is not good. I gotta stay away from that. So dang it, I told you I'm already leaving home, not coming home. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what to take besides energy drinks, that'd be great. Something healthy. I'm trying to be on the healthier side. Oh cool, it's already disconnected. Alright, this is my process, guys, for when I pull up on data. You guys are all curious on how I get my gauges. I'll make a video too on how to basically extend to this. Look at my IAT. Don't you love when it's cold? Hey, the sun is starting to rise. You can sort of see that beautiful sunset. The morning is looking beautiful. I just took a break though from recording. Ate that freaking chicken jack taquito, and actually just finished my orange juice too. But still heading to work here. I think I'll recap here back when we're out of work and washing this car, because this car is a mess. We have just got to Justin's house right now, Justin and Sammy's, and was gonna wash the car, ended up delaying on that. So now we are going to hang out with them because they hit me up. So the car's still kind of dirty, but it's all right. It is what it is. Gangster. Hey, hey brother.
Long time no see.
Yeah, you too, man. How's S2K?
Dude, everything's back up and running. Shit's like actually at 100% now. Almost. Well, I just gotta get tired. Did you get the 350Z in the video?
No, dude.
I don't think so. So, no, I remember like previous episodes before there was the other black one. This is a different seat. I sold that one. I picked up this one.
Hey.
Yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's on BC coilover. It has work wheels. And then, Nismo front bumper, that was like a custom mashup, and then Race Factory wing stands and like an Origin Lab wing, and then I just stuck on louvers like the other day, and then yeah, it's manual 2007, 100k miles, and friggin' HKS exhaust. Sounds cool.
Looks good.
But this thing just got back into the garage. Ooh, this thing just got back from the paint shop like a week ago.
Oh really? Hey.
Gangster, isn't it? Yeah, man. This one's cool.
So he's got the red theme going around here.
Yeah, anodized red. That one's cool. And now the S2000 is back too. This one, you haven't even seen. Last time the viewers saw, I think it was like completely destroyed. But as you can see now, shit's back in action. I'm like painting some parts in the side yard right now. But yeah.
Dang. Looks good, man. Looks good.
Thanks, G. I want semi-slick so it's ready for toge and autocross, and then it'll be pretty sick. And then you gotta show Yaku's car too. That one's gonna be dope. But yeah, dude, this stays.
Yeah, they actually saw it in the last week's video.
Oh, right on. Sick,
Yeah.
sick. You put on that new Fujiwara sticker.
Yeah, I saw that. And I like the badging that he did. It's pretty nice.
Dude, you haven't gotten like a good ride in this since like the last time, which was like a while ago. Now
Yeah.
that things are like pretty, like mechanically cars at 100%. You know, For now.
It
Until I
looks
bring
good,
something.
dude.
Thanks, dude. I gotta wash it, but for now, I mean, it does the job.
It's okay. I gotta wash my car too.
I'm thinking about doing that IG handle thing that you have. Oh, I think the door's open. Yeah.
Hey.
IG handle on it. I have the sticker upstairs, but I don't know where to put it. So I gotta find someone on the car that's clever. That's gonna be dope, man.
First sticker.
Damn.
Is this the first sticker really on your car?
The very first sticker I've ever put on any car. Or actually, no, not any car, but this car specifically. Damn.
Just make sure that like everything's on
That looks
there.
so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's like a brand new car.
Now it fits, yeah.
Gangster.
Heading to go get some food. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the battery of this GoPro is dying already, and the unfortunate news is I did not bring the spare battery or another camera, so I did not plan on actually heading out to hang out, so I should have planned according to. But if the camera or the GoPro dies here soon, obviously we got to cut this footage here, but I just want to get at least as much footage as I can for you guys, so I apologize in advance, guys. Did not plan according to. Oh, I forgot this guy has to get gas.